Welcome to Black and White Builds 423 today. Everybody have been seeing this windows down challenge, and I didn't think any of it looked all that crazy, so we're going to go one step above everyone else. We have the doors and the top off the Jeep, and we're going to go through the automatic car wash and see what happens. Oh, look at the lava.
Oh my god, I hate you.
Oh, look at the lava. Jeep's in neutral, here we go.
Oh my god.
Oh, here comes the lava. Oh my god. This is the worst thing I've ever made in my life. There's the lava. Yep, there it is.
Was that fun?
I'm holding water hard.
Oh, it's so
Woo! It wasn't that bad.
It was like a really long roller coaster that didn't end.
Oh man.
Look how much water's in it.
But we were smart. We took out the floor plugs and everything. Woo! So there we go. We can go swimming. I think the Jeep looks pretty clean. Woo! Hey, go ahead. Go ahead and ring it out.
I just gave him a hug.
Oh.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I gave him all of it.
If you want to know how strong the dryers are here, it even threw our big heavy duty mat. All right, we're back here at the house, everyone. It's time for the Jeep to dry off in the sun. It's time for us to go change clothes, dry off and everything. Tomorrow we start the Corvette build, so I hope you all stick around for that. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. You all have a great day.